Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to this video session. So, we have already discussed in our previous modules about the various crops grown in our country as well as the two aspects of the agricultural development of our country. Next, we'll discuss about the various features of the Indian agriculture. A farm in India. So if we discuss about the various features of the Indian agriculture, that is especially after the independence, we can see that the large areas have been brought under irrigation. That is, which all the areas are not getting adequate water supply, all those areas have been brought under irrigation. The next one is use of fertilizers and pesticides has been increased. That is, we know that the manure fertilizers as well as this organic fertilizers, especially our country insists on using these organic fertilizers, and the pesticides are also required for these crops. So these are the two features. And what is the next feature? The large area has been brought under high yielding variety of seeds, which brings green revolution in India. So children, I told you about, that is after 1970s, that is a drastic changes happen in this agricultural production, and it is termed as green revolution. And what is the reason, or what are the reasons behind the achievement of this rapid changes in this agriculture? That is due to the application of the high yielding variety of seeds, manures and fertilizers, and this has increased the production targets also. And we know that various 5-year plans have been laid from 1950-51, and we can achieve various progress in all these 5-year plans. The next one is, although modern techniques are adopted, still animals play a significant role in various agricultural activities. So children, I told you about this modernization of the agriculture. What is about the modernization of agriculture means? That is the replacement of the manpower or the laborer with machines. With the advanced or the sophisticated machines, we have installed these sophisticated machines to perform all the manual activities in the agricultural sector, and thereby we can achieve the desired targets in this agricultural sector also. So that is the feature of the agriculture. But still we can see the animal's role also. It also plays a significant role in various agricultural activities. We know that the bullocks are used to plough the fields, isn't it? Yes, still we can see the primitive methods of using this animals to plough the fields and to perform all these activities in the field. The next one is, the major part of the agriculture depends upon or mainly depends upon the monsoon rain. what is about that? Our Indian agriculture heavily relies upon the monsoons. And food crops are the major parts of production. That is, yes, we concentrate more upon the food grains instead of other, yes, rabi crops. You know about which are the two types of crops? Kharif crops and the rabi crops, and all the food grains especially comes under this Kharif crops. The next one is means of transport and facilities for storing food are inadequate and roads are unmetalled. So what is this, children? That is, yes, before we know that the transportation facilities, because I told you about the lack of infrastructural facilities in our country. Proper infrastructural facilities was not in our country. So that is, the means of transport and facilities for storing food are lacking in our country, or it is inadequate. And what about the roads? Isn't it well conditioned roads are required for this transportation facilities also? But we can see the roads are unmetalled. So what happens? That smooth functioning of this transportation facilities we cannot able to achieve. So these are the features of the Indian agriculture.